Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your activity notification in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from a browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen, go to your profile icon, then click to Profile. Then on the right side of your screen, your profile will pop up. There, click to the three-dot button on the side of View As. There, click to View Preferences. Then this type of interface will pop up in your screen. From here you can see Notify Me About. In this, choose Nothing. Then your activity notification will be clear. This is how you can clear activity notifications. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.